This is a very interesting question from AP. The question is, this thief is running away from the police and this police want to chase the thief. Now the twist is, it started 1 minute before. Advantage. It has 1 minute advantage, whereas the police is 1 minute late. But despite of that, the police is increasing its speed by 10 minutes. So plus 10 per minute. So every minute it will increase the speed 10 meter. And the question for us is, how long it will take for the police to catch the thief. Very interesting. Now, by the way, this since here increasing every minute, it's an acceleration. But in 10th class, in math, there is a chapter where you can tell in particular interval if the something is increasing, what it can be.
Wait, what?
It is from AP, because at every minute he is increasing the speed by 10. So there is a constant D or constant difference. That's D. So let's get those values. Now let's say the police was able to catch the thief in T minutes. Total time for police equal to T. Now since it's AP, I will write T equal to N. So equal to N. Okay. Now for the thief. So time and time for thief equal to also T, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
No, keep in mind this guy started 1 minute before. So T plus 1. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
Now since the thief was going at a constant speed 100 meters per minute, we can get the thief speed. So thief distance. So total distance covered equal to time into speed. That's n plus 1. Keep in mind this t is n. I will actually change it to n. N into the speed, that's 100. Okay. I'll explain once again because sometimes it could be confusing.
Yes, sir. Please tell, sir.
The thing is, this thief is running at 100 meters per minute and the police is also running at that speed, but the police is increasing the speed each time by 10 meters per minute. Okay, so that's the twist in this question. And they asked how long the police will take. So obviously the police is increasing the speed and every time the police is getting 10 meters closer to the thief. Okay, and we have to calculate the time.
Oh.
Let's say he ran for 10 minutes. So he'll run 10 into 100 and that will be like 1000 meters. Okay, but this is just for an example. Actually, we don't know the time for now. Now, let's apply AP formula for total distance covered. Okay, and what will be the AP formula for total distance covered? Total distance by police equal to SN. SN formula we apply. So SN equal to N by 2 in bracket 2A plus N minus 1 D. Okay. Now keep in mind that distance is obviously equal to this. So we'll use this value as well. So N plus 1 in bracket 100 equal to N by 2 in bracket. Now A was 10. So 2 into 10. No, A was 100. So the speed at which they started was 100. So A was 100. So 2 into 100 plus N minus 1 D. So N we don't know. So N minus 1 into D. Every time the police is increasing by 10 meters. So into 10. Now let's multiply the thing. So let's take this thing that side. N plus 1 in bracket into 200 equal to N in bracket 200 plus 10n minus 10. Now this will multiply to this thing and we get 200n plus 200 equal to 200n plus 10n square minus 10n. Now let's bring those values on the same side. So I'll take all these value also to this side and this will get cancelled. Obviously this 200n and 200n will get cancelled. 200 will come this side. So we get equal to, or we can say therefore 10n square minus 10n minus 200 equal to 0. Therefore divide all by 10. So we get n square minus n minus 20 equal to 0. Now let's factorize. So 20 factors are minus 20 can be 5 and 4. So minus 5 and minus and 4. So n square minus 5n plus 4n minus 20 equal to 0. Let's take n common. So n minus 5 plus 4 in bracket n minus 5 equal to 0. Now n minus 5 equal to 0 and n equal to 5, or n plus 4 equal to 0 and n equal to minus 4. So quadratic AP, all chapters are there in this, but the main thing is here hours is time and like how many minutes he ran, so it can't be minus and therefore our time is n is 5. So police caught him in 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let's find out the total distance. So 5 and the thief was going for n plus 1, so 6. So total distance they traveled was 600 meters.
That's so cool!
Therefore answer, police will catch in 5 minutes. Wow, man, at least sometimes the police is fast. It's a good thing. We should, like, okay, we can laugh about it, but that's a good thing. Okay, stop it.
By the way, friends, if you forget to subscribe Best Classes channel, then you can search on YouTube at bestclasses.pandesar. Till the next time, Bharat Mata Ki Jai and best of study. And don't forget the glorious phrase of Pandesar: push past your limits.